How to enable Siri on your new iPhone. To enable Siri on your new iPhone 15 or latest model, go to settings, tap on Siri and search, and here listen for, tap on this option, and here you will find three options: Siri, Hey Siri, Hey Siri or off. Tap on Siri or Hey Siri and choose enable Siri. Now choose a voice and say as on a screen display. Read on a screen. Siri, how's the weather? Hi Siri, send a message.
Today's high will be 78 and the low will be 65 degrees.
Hi Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
To who?
Hey Siri, get directions home.
3 minutes.
Siri,
Now.
play some music. Siri is ready and you will press done.
Now playing Apple Music one on Apple Music.